In this video, I'm going to show you how to add SoundCloud to Serato DJ Pro. Now to do this, you want to open Serato DJ Pro and you want to go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel. From here, go to Library and Display up top in the middle, and you want to go to the bottom under Music Streaming and you want to check mark Show Streaming Services. In here, there are 6 of them. As you can see, SoundCloud is here, so you want to click on SoundCloud, and you can see if you go out of your settings, it's going to show it over here on the left. Now to actually sign in and connect your account, you want to click on either SoundCloud over here and then click on Start Trial or Login, which is going to basically take you to your browser where you can sign into your account and that way connect it to Serato DJ Pro. Or you could also do it from the settings while going up here, and as you can see, you can directly, while clicking SoundCloud, click on Sign Up or Login, and it's going to open up the same website and allow you to connect your account that way. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.